Hi! Ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of forthcoming. Planned for or about to happen in the near future. For example, the forthcoming baseball season. The second definition of forthcoming. Of something required, ready or made available when wanted or needed. For example, financial support was not forthcoming. American pronunciation. Forthcoming. Forthcoming. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Forthcoming. Say. Forthcoming. Forthcoming means about to happen or appear. Forthcoming. Forthcoming. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. She will perform with Opera Ireland during their forthcoming spring season. Now, repeat after me. She will perform with Opera Ireland during their forthcoming spring season. The second practice. The FBI is currently investigating, and thus far no announcements appear forthcoming. Now, repeat after me. The FBI is currently investigating, and thus far no announcements appear forthcoming.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.